Welcome to Xplorer. Today, we're talking about the highly anticipated OnePlus 13. This flagship device promises to bring cutting-edge performance and premium features. From the powerful Snapdragon chipset to its incredible display and camera system, the OnePlus 13 is set to take the smartphone world by storm. Let's dive into the details. The OnePlus 13 features a stunning design, maintaining the premium aesthetics that OnePlus is known for. It's expected to come with a 6.8-inch AMOLED display, boosting 1 to 120 Hz variable refresh rate and up to 6000 nits of peak brightness. Whether you're gaming, watching videos, or simply scrolling, this display will offer bright and crisp visuals even under direct sunlight. Under the hood, the OnePlus 13 is rumored to be powered by Qualcomm's upcoming Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 processor, making it one of the most powerful phones on the market. Paired with up to 24 GB of LPDDR5X RAM, it's ready for any task, from heavy multitasking to high-end mobile gaming. This processor ensures smoother performance, faster app launches, and impressive energy efficiency. The OnePlus 13 packs a quad-camera setup with a 3x telephoto lens and larger sensors for improved low-light performance and detail. Leveraging Oppo's imaging technology, the camera is set to deliver outstanding photos and videos. Whether it's ultra-wide shots, telephoto zoom, or night photography, the OnePlus 13 is geared to handle it all. With a massive 6000 mAh battery, the OnePlus 13 will keep you powered throughout the day. Plus, it's expected to support 100W fast charging, meaning you'll be back up to full power in no time. Whether you're gaming or streaming, battery anxiety will be a thing of the past. The OnePlus 13 also comes packed with the latest features, including Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.4, and NFC. It's also expected to feature an ultrasonic fingerprint sensor, providing faster and more secure unlocking compared to older optical sensors. The OnePlus 13 is expected to launch soon, with a price starting at around $899. The device is set to be revealed in China first, followed by a global launch. So, if you're looking for a smartphone that combines top-tier performance with a sleek design, the OnePlus 13 might just be the one to watch. With its powerful Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 processor, incredible display, and feature-packed camera system, the OnePlus 13 is shaping up to be one of the most exciting smartphones of the year. What do you think of the OnePlus 13? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to Xplorer for more updates on the latest tech.